In September 2025, unprecedented rains triggered devastating floods across Hyderabad and the remote tribal regions of Wazidu and Venkatapuram in Mulugu district. Homes were submerged, livelihoods shattered, and thousands of families left without food, safety, or shelter. Urban slums along the Musi River faced severe damage, while tribal communities deep inside the forest remained cut off for days. The most vulnerable, women, children, the elderly, and daily wage earners, were the hardest hit. Responding to this urgent situation, the Salesians of Don Bosco, Hyderabad, launched a large-scale emergency relief mission. With the support of donors, NGOs, GHMC, parish networks, volunteers, and local leaders, a total of 4,500 flood relief kits were distributed across Hyderabad and the tribal mandals. In the city, relief reached flood-prone colonies such as Chatagat, Musarambag, and Afzalgunj. Meanwhile, dedicated teams traveled through damaged forest routes to deliver kits to Wazidu and Venkatapuram, ensuring that even the most remote tribal hamlets were not left behind. On November 20th, the presence of local MLA, police department, and the revenue department strengthened the efforts, ensuring smooth and transparent distribution. Each relief kit provided essential food grains, hygiene materials, and emergency utilities, restoring food security, reducing distress, and bringing hope to thousands of lives. This initiative reflects our commitment to global development goals, supporting no poverty, zero hunger, good health, sustainable communities, and climate action. Together, we delivered not just relief, but dignity and resilience. Salesians of Don Bosco, Hyderabad, bringing hope where it's needed most.